Hello students, hope you all are doing well. So in our previous class we have seen how to draw a ray diagram properly, and I have given you some important points which you must remember while you draw a ray diagram. So in today's class we will draw images formed by a concave mirror. So here I have drawn three tables: object, a position of the object, diagram, and characteristics of the image formed. Now let's see what happens when the object is at infinity. Now when object is at infinity, we assume that the rays coming from that object are parallel. So all the parallel rays coming from the object, that means these rays are parallel to the principal axis. So after they come from the principal axis, after reflection, they will meet at the focus. So here I have given incoming arrows for incident ray and outgoing arrows for reflected ray. You must draw the diagram keeping in mind that the focus and the center of curvature must be at equal distance with the pole, as I have shown you in my previous class. So the the object was very large. Now let's see what happens to the image. What is the characteristics of the image? So from the figure we can see that the image is formed at focus, obviously. Next, it is highly diminished. It is diminished to a point object. Next, the image is real. Why it is real? Because it is formed in front of the mirror and the image is inverted. So these are the 4 points you need to write when you are given to state the characteristics of the image. First, you must write where is the image formed. Second, you must write the size of the image. Third, you must write the image is real or virtual, and fourth, you must write it is inverted or straight. Let's see in our second case, that is when the image is beyond C. Now here again we have drawn a mirror. We have pointed the focus and the center of curvature. Now the focus and the center of curvature I have taken at equal distances. Now the object will be beyond C, that is somewhere beyond C. So here I have taken the object. Now to form a ray diagram, as I have told you in my previous class, you need to have minimum 2 rays. So we have taken one ray parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, this ray will pass through the focus, and the second ray we have taken through the center of curvature, and after reflection it will pass through the center of curvature. So here I have given the arrows. Arrows are very important. Please don't forget to give the arrows. If you forget to give the arrows, your diagram will be totally wrong. Okay, now for the object O, the image will be formed at the point where the rays from the focus and the center of curvature meet. So this point will be your image. This one I is your image. Now the image here is inverted. Now can you tell the characteristics of the image from the drawing? Let's see. So where is the image formed? The image is formed between C and F. Obviously we can see it from the figure. The image is formed between C and F. Now, what is the size of the image? It's a little bit diminished, obviously, because see, here we can see that the object is quite large, but the image is little bit diminished. So, number 1 point is where it is formed? Formed between C and F. Image is diminished. Is it real or virtual? It's real because it is formed in front of the mirror. It is inverted or straight? It is inverted. So here we can see the 4 characteristics of the image. Like this, you have to only remember how to draw, the concept of drawing. You don't need to remember the characteristics. The characteristics you can find out from the drawing itself. In our next class, we will continue with our diagrams of spherical mirror, that is image formed by concave mirror.